Introduction to the design requirements of chicken coop plant construction. Dear owners all over the world who are interested in livestock and poultry farming business, hello. Our company can not only provide you with a full set of intelligent, automated laying hens, broilers, ducks, pigeons, brooders, and other types of breeding machinery and equipment. We can also design and build high-quality steel structure factory buildings, chicken houses, duck houses, and other livestock breeding plants according to your breeding quantity. No matter what country you are in, if you need to build all kinds of industrial plants, we can cooperate with you in the whole process from designing to purchasing raw materials, installation, and delivery. In short, from the supply of breeding equipment to the construction of the breeding plant, we will install it for you and deliver it to you. Your only task is to specify your requirements. Welcome to call us for consultation. Site selection and environmental requirements. Geographic location. Should choose a place with convenient transportation but far away from the main highway, at least 400 meters above, to reduce noise and pollution. Away from the settlements, other livestock and poultry farms, slaughterhouses and factories with smoke and harmful gases to avoid environmental pollution. Terrain topography. The terrain should be high and dry, with the wind at the back and facing the sun, facing south or southeast, which is favorable for light, ventilation, and drainage. Avoid building farms in low-lying and wet places to prevent chickens from being prone to epidemics. Soil quality. It is better to have soil containing limestone or sandy loam to keep the house dry inside and outside, and to remove stagnant water in time after rain. Avoid building chicken coops on clay soil to prevent seepage water from soaking in. Water source. Adequate water quantity, clean water quality, in line with drinking water hygiene requirements, preferably groundwatered. Sunshine and power supply. Long sunshine time is good for chicken coop heat preservation, energy saving, egg production, and chicken health. Sufficient power is guaranteed to facilitate the operation of equipment in the chicken coop. Layout and structure requirements. Reasonable layout. Production area and non-production area are separated, and the non-production area and water source are in the upwind direction of the chicken yard. Dirty and clean paths are separated and not crossed, and the manure field is located in the downwind direction of the chicken yard. The brooder house is separated from the breeding house, and the brooder house is located in the upwind direction of the chicken farm. House structure. Practical and economical, saving both money and energy. Orientation in line with local natural and physiological conditions, good lighting, easy ventilation, easy to operate. The roof and walls should have good heat preservation and insulation properties, using heat-insulating materials or corresponding devices. Ventilation. The ventilation system should be reasonably designed to ensure that the air in the house is fresh and the concentration of harmful gases does not exceed the prescribed standards. There are two kinds of ventilation methods: natural ventilation and mechanical ventilation, which can be selected according to the actual situation. Light control. Set up suitable windows and skylights to ensure sufficient natural light. In case of insufficient light, artificial lighting equipment can be added and timed to control as needed. Temperature and humidity management. According to seasonal and climatic characteristics, install thermostatic equipment and heat preservation and insulation materials to ensure appropriate temperature in the house. Humidity management is also important to avoid excessive humidity to cause disease. Third, building materials and construction requirements. Main structure. Strong, corrosion-resistant materials should be used, such as reinforced concrete, steel structure, or wood. Wall materials. Features such as heat insulation, strong durability, and easy cleaning, such as color steel sandwich panels, cement boards, or bamboo and wood panels. Roof materials. Should have features such as waterproof, heat insulation, and windproof, such as color steel tiles, asphalt shingles, or plastic membranes. Ground material. Should have easy to clean, anti-skid, and corrosion resistance, such as terrazzo, plastic flooring, or concrete. Fourth, Health and epidemic prevention requirements. Regular cleaning and disinfection. Regularly clean the inside of the chicken coop to remove feed residues, feces, and debris. Use disinfectant to thoroughly disinfect the chicken coop and kill pathogens. Epidemic prevention facilities. Disinfection rooms. Changing rooms with disinfection pools are provided at the entrance of the production area to ensure that personnel and vehicles entering the production area are disinfected according to the epidemic prevention system. Disease prevention and control. Strengthen the prevention and control of common diseases and do immunization in time to properly dispose of sick and dead chickens to prevent the spread of diseases. V. Intelligent management. With the development of modern agriculture, intelligent technology is gradually applied to chicken coop management. Intelligent chicken coop environmental control system through the integration of Internet of Things, big data, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence and other cutting-edge technologies, accurate regulation of temperature and humidity in the chicken coop, light, air quality, and other environmental parameters to improve the breeding efficiency, reduce the occurrence of disease, improve product quality. In summary, the design requirements of chicken coop construction involve site selection and environment, layout and structure, building materials and construction, health and epidemic prevention and intelligent management, and other aspects. Reasonable design requirements can ensure that the chicken coop provides a healthy, comfortable, and safe growing environment for chickens. WhatsApp https://wa me/13917849689